Dear students, today we are going to solve exercise work of chapter 8 of class 5, and the name of the chapter is The Dream. Number 1. Answer these questions. A. What was the habit of Vikas? Answer. Vikas had a habit of speaking while dreaming. B. Why did Dayanand insult Vikas? Answer. Dayanand insulted Vikas because Vikas ordered Dayanand to praise his legs while dreaming. C. How did Vikas greet the hermit? Answer. Vikas bowed down with folded hands to greet the hermit. D. What is the right way to earn money? Answer. To work hard is the right way to earn money. E. What happened with Vikas in rest out? Answer. Dayanand came to rest house and requested Vikas to marry his only daughter. F. How did Vikas pay the taxes? Answer. Vikas sold all his property to pay the taxes. Question number 2. Arrange the sentences in right order to complete the story. Some sentences were given and these sentences have been arranged properly, and now you can read these sentences and understand the story. A. Dayanand had a servant named Vikas. B. Vikas ordered Dayanand in his dream. C. He was insulted and thrown out of the house. D. A hermit granted Vikas 3 dreams to be true. E. Dayanand requested Vikas to marry his daughter. F. Servants became jealous to see Vikas' luxury. G. He became the richest man of the town. H. The king ordered Vikas to pay taxes. I. Vikas did not chant the mantra 3rd time. And J. Vikas paid the taxes and started a new life. Now question number 3. Write true or false. Statements are given here and you have to write whether these statements are true or false on the basis of the story The Dream. Dayanand used to build castles in the air. False. Vikas used to build castles in the air. Shobha was Vikas' daughter. False. Shobha was Dayanand's daughter. Shobha was Vikas' wife. So it is false. The hermit told Vikas to work hard. True. Vikas was a very laborious man. False. Vikas was not a laborious man. He wanted to be rich without doing work. Shobha wanted to be the queen of Patliputra. True. Vikas chanted the mantra 3 times. False. He chanted the mantra only 3 times. 3rd time he did not chant the mantra. Vikas was sent to jail for not paying the taxes. False. Vikas paid the taxes, so he was not sent to jail. Next question. Next question is, who said to whom? Statements are given in one column. Who said 2nd column and to whom 3rd column. Come here and praise my legs, Vikas said to Dayanand. Work hard if you want to be rich, hermit said to Vikas. I want my dreams should come true, Vikas said to hermit. My daughter Shobha wants to marry you. Dayanand said to Vikas. Dream is dream. Shobha said to Vikas. Please make the mantra powerless. Vikas said to Hermit. I do not want money without labor. Vikas said to Hermit. Next one, question 5. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles where necessary. Articles means you have to fill in the blanks with a, an or the. I met a European in Delhi. A European. Once there was a queen. English is dash easy language and English is an easy language. He is dash one-eyed man. Answer A. He is a one-eyed man. Dash Times of India is a newspaper. Answer the. The Times of India is a newspaper. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. Answer an. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. G. Please turn off dash radio. The. Please turn off the radio. Next. H. Hockey is our national game. No article because we don't put any article before the name of any game. So that is blank place. I. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas. Mount Everest is the name of peak and we don't put article before the name of any peak. So there is no article here. Iron is dash useful metal. Answer A. Iron is a useful metal. Now complete it. Some words are given. Deep, happy, dark, hard, cunning, loud, soft, sharp, sure, stupid. And we have to make similes from these words. In green letters, answer is written. As cunning as a fox, as dark as midnight, as hard as a stone, as loud as thunder, as sharp as a razor, as soft as silk, as stupid as an ass, as sure as death, as happy as a king. Now next question. Question number 7. Match column A and column B to complete the proverb. Proverbs are given in two parts and here answer is written. Part A is written in black letter and in blue letters. Part B is written and now the proverb is ready. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Barking dogs seldom bite. Diamond cuts diamond. Slow and steady wins the race. These are very famous proverbs. Good health is better than wealth. To kill two birds with a stone. Union is strength. Honesty is the best policy. Today we completed the exercise work of the dream. Thank you.